how's it going? I'm finally getting my YouTube channel going. Woo! She Knows Vegas has arrived. Woo! Vegas has arrived. Woo! I've been going to Vegas. I'm Heather. I've been going to Vegas for 17 years and I have stayed everywhere, eaten everywhere, shopped everywhere, you name it, drank everywhere. Drank everywhere. Had those big drinks. Yep, those ones, you know, that are like a foot tall or 2 feet tall or I don't know. Guitars, they have alcohol in them. Like yes, I've done it all. Anyways, I have decided to start this YouTube channel because I thought it would be a great thing to share my experiences with you because I continue to go because it is only like a 2-hour and 40-minute flight for me, so it's easy to go there. I love Vegas. I was born with glitter in my veins, so Vegas totally attracts me because there's glitter and bling and sparkle everywhere, and as you get to know me, you're going to get to know that that's what I love. I love it even here in Canada. It surrounds me. I wear bling every day. I swear I do. You probably can't see any on me right now. Oh yeah, maybe a little. Maybe a little. Anyways, I used to go once a month, so I know Vegas quite well. That's why I say She Knows Vegas. I used to have my full-time hairdresser there, Michael Boychuk at Color Salon at Caesar's Palace. I've stayed, like I say, I've stayed pretty much everywhere. So I plan to, introduce you to all those things. So whether you are interested in Vegas, planning a trip, whether you've been to Vegas and you're missing it and you just want to watch videos, whether you're a YouTuber that does videos on Vegas, whether you're a local, whatever, I think you're going to get some value out of this channel. Entertainment for sure. I'll take you gambling with me. Talk about comps and getting cheaper room rates, etc. And I tell you, this last time I was there, when I shot some video for this channel, the stars were aligning. I started winning the day that I arrived, and I won all the way through my trip. And I just had this calling that after going to Vegas for so long, I should actually do a channel on it. So perfect. That was like a sign. I believe in signs, and I tell you, winning every day and just everything was lining up. Anyways, let's get to it. So I look forward to this journey with you, getting to know you, all your questions, requests, whatever you're looking to see. I hope to visit there quite often so I can do lots of videos for you. So if you support this channel, if you decide that you want to follow me and subscribe, that would be awesome because that'll keep the channel going and keep me going to Vegas, and we can have a lot of fun. Okay, I look forward to our travels together, and yeah, I'll see you soon.